Hi, my name is Brad and I'm one of the many assessors here at Alpha Structural, and we're going to show you some of the things that we saw this week on our appointments. All right, so what we see here is a set of stairs leading to a balcony above with many years of deferred maintenance, aggressive dry rot, and obvious failure. And from what you can see here, the joists that support the decking is also failing. So we recommend that they replace this and not use it. Very unsafe. Here we have excessive dry rot underneath the bathroom, which is basically creating failure of the support structure. Dry rot occurs with excessive moisture over time. There's a fungus involved in this and it'll just eat away at the wood, making the use of the bathtub not secure. So here we have a bit of a substandard post and pier replacement. Number one, we have a pier that does not have a proper embedment in concrete, meaning having a footing. That's a precast pier set basically on grade. It's not very stable. And then above it, or the wood there, is set at the wrong orientation. The grain pattern should be vertical, not horizontal, because that will only compress with load conditions. What we see here is relatively common. It's a horizontal fracture that is developed by the spalling of the concrete, the rusting of the rebar at the interior of the concrete stem wall. It expands over time and fractures the foundation. So this spall continues to travel. It's traveling around the corner there, and it's basically compromised the foundation, essentially weakening the lateral load strength of the structure. Lateral load meaning something that we're concerned with earthquakes. Right, Dan?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for clarifying that. That was one of our senior engineers here at Alpha Structural, in-house engineering. So right here we've got a newly installed post and pier that is supporting a girder above. They put a little splash of concrete to set the precast pier, which is this right there, into. It looked good from the surface, but when we excavated down below, there was really no footing. It was just frosting on a cake like we see all the time. Now, the importance of a footing is to stabilize that pier, especially when we're dealing with expansive soils, so that we have proper load support that's transferring down from the structure above. But in this case, they just tried to get away with a cheap job. So when you go with that cheap bid, this is what you get. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.